Hey and howdy everyone, it's Jeannie with Paper Pixie Ink, and today I want to do a quick walkthrough of this mini album. It is 6 1/4 by 6 1/4 by 3 1/2. So this tutorial is available for purchase on my website. It does have a printable PDF measurement sheet as well as printable PDF instructions. This is meant to be a very beginner album. So it's pretty basic. It does use the hidden hinge binding method from Kathy Orta, but it is very basic. There's still a lot of details, lots of room for photos, but it uses fairly basic tools and can be easily made by somebody who is very unfamiliar with the process. So let's take a look at the album. Okay, so the cover of this album is very plain. I just used some pattern paper, and then I did 3 layers of cardstock. So I have a glitter cardstock in the back, I have a blue cardstock, and then a white cardstock for the photo mat, so you can mat a photo here. These flowers I made using the Cinch and Go poinsettia from Spellbinders. And then these are just some leaf dies from my stash as well. So these are the foliage and leaves number 10 from Dress My Craft. I really like these because they have them going in both directions, so you can do some nice symmetrical designs with these. So I really like them for that. And then these were just some starfish that I had. I have a stamp set from Stampin' Up, and it had the starfish stamp and matching die. And then I use different phrases throughout the album, and all I did, these are also available with the purchase of the tutorial. I just created some different phrases on Canva and then printed them out. I just chose a color that would complement the pattern papers that I used in the album. And yeah, I just designed and printed on Canva, so that's available as a PDF as well. The spine is just very plain, that is gold foil. And then the back is the same pattern paper as the front, and I just left that plain as well. So when you first open it up, you see this. These pages do open. And as you can see, I really did just create a whole bunch of phrases that, match the paper and use them throughout the album. So they were quick and easy to do, and again, they are included if you are interested. And then I just created plain photo mats. You could, if you wanted to, back them with a backer mat so it makes them pop a little bit more, but I wanted to keep this very simple and basic, so that a true beginner would be able to create this. I have some more of those flowers, and these here are just pieces. They're clip art images that I got from Canva, and I pulled them into my Cricut design space. And then I just used the print and cut feature that Cricut Design Space has to cut them out to add a little bit more detail. You don't have to do anything like that, obviously. Each page is a pocket page, so we have all of this extra space that you can use for your photos as well. And then when you flip this over, we have this pocket So we have another flower, another one of those cutouts. This was a cutout from the paper that I had used. So this is Life is Better by the Sea. And then we just have some other cut-aparts that were in the collection, as well as a little tag that I made using some of the scrap black cardstock that I had from making my base and my pages. So this one does flip up, and you have a couple more mats there as well, and obviously a mat here. And then we have another pocket page. So lots and lots of space. And as you can see, I'm keeping my pages very, very basic. There's not a lot to them. And I do go through every single page, every single step with you. So this one opens up. You just have lots and lots of mats. And then this one opens down. So you have lots of space. Then we have another pocket. Again, these are just cut-aparts that were in the paper pad. It was a paper pad from Joann's from Park Lane. I can't remember the name of the paper collection now, but I've used it in a couple of different projects. So this just opens like this, and again, more pocket pages, so lots and lots of space. And I did keep these simple, so these pages are not held closed by any kind of magnets or anything. I just wanted to keep it very simple for anyone to be able to make without having a whole bunch of special anything. So you have a couple more mats here, and then these open this way. So this is kind of a separate theme from this. And then you have this as well. And again, another insert in the pocket. So tons and tons of space, because you could get 2 photos on each of these pages. So lots of space there. And then we have another pocket. So again, you can see there's a theme, right? Double pages, pocket, and double, doubles, pocket, double page, doubles. So I wanted to keep it simple, but keep it fun, and still have tons and tons of space for photos, but keep it beginner friendly. I definitely have designed this for people who are just getting started, who are unfamiliar with, the lingo, and how pages might come together. And I have included written instructions with the tutorial, so it's pretty plain. I've also included how you can convert a horizontal pocket to a vertical pocket. In the written instructions, there is also information on how to create your 2 different binding methods. So in the video tutorial, I have used the hidden hinge binding method for this album, but in the written instructions I have also included how you can do the stacked binding method, as well as information on how to create your pocket pages so that they're on the side, so side pocket pages instead of top pocket pages, which is what I have in the video. And again, as part of your purchase of the tutorial, there is also a PDF measurements page that you can print out and use for your reference for every piece. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's walkthrough. I will put the link to the tutorial that is available for purchase on my website. I'll put that down in the description, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, everyone.